to A&M Excursions. I'm Misty, and I have my Bibbidi Bobbidi box for April 2019. We had some camera difficulties, so this makes the third time I've opened this. So I'm not actually opening the box. I'm just going to show you the products that I got and the little papers that come in the box with it, if I can grab them. So this month, I actually got less items than normal because I have it checked that as long as the lesser items are the equal value, then I will get better quality items. So they let me know that. And then this month's little card that comes in, it says, go on and dig a little deeper inside your Bibbidi Bobbidi box. You might just find something magical. Then it says, tag us in your unboxing at bibbidi.bobbidi.boxes, and that's on Instagram, I believe. And the little saying says, when you find out who you are, you'll find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. And then this is what it looks like, and it's got a cute little character, but the movie she's in is escaping me right now. And then of course it comes with a spoiler alert that tells you what's in your box, but of course I already know because, like I said, we've opened it already. So this month I ended up with the cutest little Dole Whip coin purse. I put this in my preferences. I love this. This was one of the things I kept seeing in other people's videos that I really, really wanted. So they took into account what I had put in my preferences and they got it for me. And this is a Disney Parks exclusive item. So you can only get this in the park. So I thought that was interesting. And then the second thing they got me, which is my favorite thing out of the entire box because this is my favorite character. They got me the Maleficent Ears. And it has, you know, this is a vinyl bow, which is really pretty. And then it actually has her little horns and has green kind of boa feathers, feather boas on the back to stand for the fire. That shows when she turns into her dragon form. And then it has prickly vines on the side, or on the ears, excuse me. And then on the side, it reads Spellbound. These were my favorite thing that I got. This was also in my preferences. So they ask you in your bio on when you fill out your things, some things that you would be interested in getting from the parks. And there's a big block that you can type a whole bunch of things. These two things were in it. And this month, they actually gave them to me. So that's another good thing about this company. They take into account your preferences and what you list that you want. And so we're going to go to the spoiler alert, and it's really cute. It has Winnie the Pooh on it this month. And as we know, most of the ears are $27.99, and these are that. They are $27.99. And then the coin purse was $19.99. And so this is a Dreams box, and it's $39 a month, and then I pay for shipping and handling. So it rounds out about $45.99, so right at $46. And so my total retail value was $47.98. Yes, I got fewer items, but they're great quality items that I wouldn't be able to get otherwise if I didn't have this box. If you're interested in subscribing to this box, we'll leave a link in the description below. Let us know if you get this box what you got and what you may have wanted if you didn't receive it. Thanks for watching, and join us next time as we strive to make every day an excursion.